Okay, so besides chopping this much off of the battery cables, what I found is somebody had previously, well, this fuse block was melted. I'm rearranging things. This fuse was on the other side, so it was definitely overheated, but somebody had basically attached the primary power wire on the other side of the fuse, so it bypassed the fuse, and then something was just over, like, using a lot of power, and so, but it didn't blow the fuse because all the wires were on the same side. So that's why it's overheated. So in the process of redoing this, but looking way better.